Welcome back to Tech Stack. In this video, we'll learn about event binding in Angular. Event binding allows us to listen to user interactions, such as clicks, key presses, and form inputs, and execute code in response. We'll create a simple example to show how to capture and handle events in the component using Angular's powerful event binding syntax. In the case of event binding, the data flows from the .html template to the .ts component file. Open the Pages folder in the integrated terminal and create a new component for event binding. Now copy the selector of the event binding component and use it inside the app component template. Now import the event binding component into the imports array of the app component to make it available for use. Now run the project using ngserve to make sure the event binding component is working correctly. Perfect! It's working fine and the component is loading successfully. Now let's create a function named showAlert in the component class that displays a simple alert message. Now create a button in the template and bind the showAlert function to its click event using event binding. Perfect! The alert message is showing as expected when the button is clicked. Now let's create a variable named department and assign it the value finance. Now display the value of the department variable using interpolation. Now create a function named changeDepartment that updates the value of the department variable to sales. Now create a button in the HTML template and bind the changeDepartment function to its click event. Remember, when the value of the department variable is updated, it will automatically change everywhere it is used in the template. Perfect! The value is updating correctly across the template. Now create a function named cityChange in the component that shows an alert message saying city changed. Now create a select dropdown in the template and add New York, Austin, and Chicago as options. Now bind the city change function to the change event of the select element using event binding. As you can see, it's working perfectly. The city change function is triggered whenever the selection changes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and share.